I'm Richard Roll, and this is Spotlight Local TV. Welcome, and thanks for being with us today. I am live today with one of the leading experts in hair replacement in the country, Ron Milazzo of Thinning Hair Solutions by Mr. Carmine in Stamford, Connecticut. And our topic is how chemotherapy patients can replace the hair that they've lost, so that they can have a beautiful head of hair and feel wonderful about their appearance and the difference that that makes in their therapeutic process. Ron, hello, and thank you for being with us today.
Thank you for having me, Richard. Thank you.
Ron, you've worked with thousands of cancer patients over more than 25 years, and you have helped them to restore their appearance and their natural feeling and look of their hair. Can you tell us what is the experience like that you've come to know with particularly women for whom their hair is known as their crown, that they lose their hair unexpectedly, sometimes very quickly, sometimes less quickly during chemotherapy? What is that experience like?
Well, for the patient, obviously, it's a very traumatic experience. For us, we treat them with kid gloves, obviously. It's a very sensitive time in their life, going through the treatments, and we try to make their life as normal as we possibly can as far as what their appearance looks like when they look in the mirror and when others see them, to make them look as natural and the way they looked prior to losing their hair, because it's kind of traumatic losing your hair within just a few days of one or two treatments, so we can all understand what that might feel like to anyone under normal circumstances. And we understand that, and we go through the process nice and easy. We like to see photographs actually before they lose their hair, or they can come in and we can take a look at what they look like, and we can get something where they can look as close to what they look like now.
So you have hairstylists who've got a lot of experience working with people who are undergoing or have undergone chemotherapy, female hairstylists, am I right?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, this is what we do for a living. I mean, hair restoration is our life, our love, our passion. We love making others feel great about their appearance and the way they look, and restoring their hair to a state where they look like everyone else without looking like they're wearing a wig.
So what is different about the experience that someone has when they come to you during or after chemotherapy than if they just went and tried to buy a wig or some other kind of hair replacement?
Well, it's a very personalized experience. We treat them very gently. We know how they feel. They're very sensitive about what's going on in their life at this point in time. Everything that we do is going to be custom fit and custom designed and cut specifically for that person, as opposed to buying something off the shelf like you're buying a scarf and then you go home with it and then you look like you're wearing a wig, and nobody likes to look like they're wearing a wig. They want to feel pretty. They want to feel feminine. They don't want people saying, "Oh, you got a wig?" People don't want that. They want to look great and feel great, and they want to see and feel good when they look in the mirror.
Well, I've seen dozens of testimonials from people who have had that experience in your studio. And Ron, one other thing I want to ask you is, if people want to find out more, how do you recommend that they proceed? How can they contact you to find out what to do and to get a private consultation?
It's very simple, Richard. Just pick up the telephone, dial 203-325-0144. We're located in Stamford, Connecticut, in the west wing of the Holiday Inn on Summer Street. And we have a private room, or private rooms actually, specifically for our hair restoration processes. And, we'll show them exactly what they're going to look like, what they're going to get, and we guarantee what we do 100%.
So are these solutions paid for by insurance?
Well, as a general rule, most insurance companies do not cover the full cost. but for whatever cost that they don't cover is totally tax deductible because it's a medical expense. And what they would do is get a prescription from their doctor for a cranial prosthetic. They come to us, we give them a receipt for the cost of the prosthetic, they submit it to their insurance company, and they would get whatever portion that the insurance company pays.
Ron, right now you're offering a special offer for people who are participants in the Connecticut Challenge Cancer Survivorship Program, and you're making it a little bit easier for them to afford and be able to have the kind of level of hair replacement that you specialize in. What should people do to find out more about that and to schedule a private consultation?
Absolutely. Just mention that they're calling from the Connecticut Challenge and will instantly take 20% off the cost of the prosthetic. That's number one. And just, again, call us at 203-325-0144 and ask for Ron Milazzo. And
Ron
we'll take care of
Milazzo
you.
from Stamford, Connecticut. Thinning Hair Solutions by Mr. Carmine on Summer Street. Thanks so much for being with us today. You're making a difference in the lives of a lot of people. I'm Richard Roll.
My pleasure, Richard.
I'm Richard Roll with Spotlight Local TV. Stay tuned for more informative and educational programs from your local professionals to inform you and help you make the best decisions in your life. Thanks for being with us.